All right, girls and boys and boys and girls. Now we have to update the talib. Talib. Mm-hmm. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Mm. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. So how do I do this? I have to do a for loop inside of a for loop inside of a for loop inside of a for loop. First, let's do the prices because then we'll do the prices. Then once we can get that working, then we're gonna send that information back into here and see what we need to do. So, let's go ahead and run this. No, 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 no. We are going to save this as data. Prices equals this. Okay. Oops. So here we need to do prices to HDF is prices HD5. I think it's funny that this is HDF, then the thing is called HD5, then the whole thing is called HD5F. Okay. Okay. So now we will come here and we will run this and we'll say this is here. E prices. This. Why is this all fucked up? Wait, where are we at? So we need to go out one folder and into data. How does this work? If I do this and I do slash Amazon wallpaper YouTube. Data. That's what? What do you mean PD is not defined? Okay. Right. So here we do this. Okay, so we're here. I don't have any idea how any of this works. Okay. Actually, time period. Output name. Um, 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 um. DF prices. Where do I get no names? So here we do for out names in output names for C and range indicator lane for X and on a user args. Okay. Then if final array counter function name prices dot squeeze. How it's a data frame though. How does this make any sense? You have multiple output names. Why am I squeezing this? How does that make any sense? Why wouldn't I? This makes no sense. Because if I did it through the so I would need to do for C in range this. So first, before I even do that, I would need to do the, before I do this, I would need to do a loop for the coin. So the coin needs to go here. Then so we do like the Bitcoin indicator length, and we do all 4 of the Bitcoin ones. Then we would come back up here. Oh no, we need to do it here. We need to do Bitcoin. We need to do the coin first for everything. So for here, we need to do the coin first. And then the name is param keys. So this needs to be indicator name, param keys. And then there needs to be a prices. How do I just get the symbol? How do I just get like the symbols? The list of the symbols. How do I get the unique symbols? Get unique names of multi-index. How to get unique values from columns, not values. Get in how to get pandas column multi-index names in a list. Columns. What is it? Zero. Oh. Levels 1. Okay. So you do the levels. So then from here, I would need to enumerate. So keys. All right, so far we have so I'm realizing here it's like we have four indicator settings. Then we have one input name. Then we have two symbols. So we're going to have to do 4 times 2 to get the final array size here. Right? And then so we'll have our counter is going to be 0. I think our counter can just be deleted here. And then our counter 0 could be here. And yeah, because if we have 4 variables, we have to test those 4 variables on however many times that we have the output names length. So if we have 2 outputs, we need to do it 4 times 2. Then we have to do all of that for 2 or 3 symbols or however many. So we have to make the final array size that big in order for it to work. And then inside of here, we had to do 4 symbol and symbols. So we're getting the symbol from that's within the symbols. We're creating a temporary data frame. And then we're getting our current symbol tuple is this. And then we, because I was trying to do this PD multi-tuples thing the wrong way. So then now we have to do the current symbol plus the indicator tuple, settings tuple. So it'll be like Bitcoin and then 15. And then I think that should all work. So if we do this, and then we do this, and then we do this, there we go. So the symbol is BTC USDT. Then we have 15. Okay. So that works for the RSI. And so let's do stash. Now we'll do the stash. And there's no way this is going to work. So here we have to go into this bad boy. And I think now we have to do this part here. So now we have to do what we did here, which is move all this over, do this, put that here. MDF needs to be here. I still don't understand why I'm squeezing this. I don't think that I need to squeeze. Why would I squeeze? Squeeze doesn't make any sense. Why would I squeeze? What are you squeezing? So then here we have to do out name. So what the hell is happening here? The param. Okay, anyways. So we've got this, this needs to, we also need to add in here the Symbols tuple. Wait, what? Current symbol tuple. We need to do this. What did I just do? Current symbol tuple needs to go here. Plus. Yes. So we'll do current symbol tuple plus this name plus this. And this will do the same thing. This. Yes. Then we have the indicator settings tuple. In theory, this should just work now. Parameter keys. Wait, is this backwards? Ooh, that's not good. This needs to come first. So what we will do here is list of column names. This is the symbol. This just says symbol. Symbol. This is not gonna work because I need to do the symbol first, then this, then the parameter keys. Fuck it. It's gonna have to. We'll do it live. We are just going to have to do it live, boys. Boys and girls and girls and boys. So here we are going to have to do this plus this plus this. This. So this list. So we need to make these. So it's a symbol plus indicator name, whatever. Put that there like this, and then we will do this else statement here. We'll say this. We'll say this. Okay. Okay. So the first part is the symbol. Okay, so we have the parameter keys is the this should work. This should work. Boom, bam, symbol. Boom, bam, boom, bam. Boom, bam. Yeah, damn. God damn. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. Damn. Oops. Damn. 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 Let's do it. Let's do it, boys. All right. Get the results for multiple coins. We can now get the indicator results for multiple coins. This is amazing. Damn! That's crazy. Crazy! That is crazy! So now I have to duplicate this, edit from talib to be able to handle multiple coins. So we did that. So now we have to... Oh, wait a minute. Let me undo this. So we just did this. So now we have to do edit from talib to be able to handle indicators with symbol columns. Okay, now I have to do that. All right, just got done talking to Nax, and it's always interesting talking to him because it helps me to try to understand how to teach somebody who wants to learn but doesn't know what to do. Because I mean, obviously, I was in the same position, so it made me realize that I really need to make these tutorials as soon as possible. And then I also need to make a tutorial on how to actually learn. How to learn. So Python. Python? No. In the index, getting start. No. So inside of tutorials, there's an index here. So tutorials. How to learn how to code. So what I'll do here is make YouTube video explaining the test file strategy. There we go. So I'll make a video talking about that. Yeah. Anyways, I gotta walk Max and do some laundry. But where am I at right now? Okay, so I am at the evaluators numbers. No, I am at. Oh, and I added this little thing here. Where am I at? I am at this part where I have to be able to these user indicators, and that is this section right here, because I just finished this section, which works perfectly fine. And now I have to do this section, which I don't think is going to be difficult at all. Yeah, this will be fine. Then after that's done, we have to do the evaluators. And then that's it. I honestly think that I should just oof. I kind of feel like I should just delete the is above for now, because there's going to be so much changing going on. Like, I don't want to have to. Well, no. I'll keep the is above, because literally all I do is copy this whole thing and then I just change this to less than, or this, the numpy way, or this to less than, this to less than, this to less than. So that's fine. So I'll just keep these two. Yeah. So anyways. It's so interesting because the one where I'm sending the user data actually already just works right out of the gate. Only thing I had to do was do. Did I even have to do this? I didn't even have to do this. I didn't even have to do number of symbols, because that is already built into the thing here. If I do this, then we have our parameter keys. What? Oh, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? What just happened? What? This works, obviously. What did I just do? Okay. So the parameter keys already have the symbol. They already have all that stuff. And then the other thing is that when I just realized that when we're sending the indicator, we're not choosing from open, high, low, close. So the final array is going to stay the same, because we need to literally do every single column in the array, in the data frame that we're sending. And so none of this stuff changes, because the tuple already works. The only problem here though is, well, that works for this part because there's no other output names. The output names part is where it's going to be tricky a little bit with the, I think I have to switch up. All I have to do is switch up this and switch up this, and then it'll work. Because clearly this works. And then here we have to do clearly this does not work. What? Oh. Huh. Hmm. think I switched this up because I feel like this is going to be the more common. I should probably do the same thing with this as well. This clearly works. This, when would this ever happen? Is it even possible? Well, clearly there's something wrong here. Oh, that's because the EMA is the output name. But then how do we... Wait, what the hell is going on here? Oh, so I would have to actually... How do I get... Oh, God damn it! I have to get... What? Wait, what is going on here? If I want to apply the EMA to all of these things, right? Isn't that the way it works? Yeah, what the hell is this? I mean, it just works. What? 20, 40, 60, 100. Okay. We don't even use the symbols. We don't use anything here. Literally nothing changes. What the fuck? How does this even work? Why does this work? What? So I guess I'd have to find something that has multiple output names instead of the EMA. But I guess okay, wait, what? Well, I can't apply a stosh to the RSI. I guess I have to find a combination that has multiple output names, but only takes, it doesn't take anything else but like, oh boy. I guess here we go. We could apply the Bollinger Bands, and it just does with the closed. So I guess we could try B bands to the RSI. Alright, so I'm running into this weird thing here where I can run the Bollinger Bands here. Right? This works. Which is basically the same exact thing as what I'm sending over here. But when I try to run this, I get this. And I'm not even sending anything. I'm not sending anything. And somehow it's saying that there's an error. Which doesn't make any sense. It's 5220. Wait, how did it become 5220? Wait, what? How did we even get there? Wait, what? Wait, what? How did this get here? How did we get that? Nowhere in here do we do anything. What? What? How is this? But wait, why is why is this this? The final user argument. Oh no. Oh no. This is not good. because these are ints. And so this is expecting it to be not an int.
Just slamming the mini blade. Wait, does Santi have mana? Or I thought that character was manaless. Yeah, that character plays like it's manaless now. I've never seen Cassandra to go to mana. That guy's mana cost is like not real.
Oh no. I wonder if I did. But I can't do that. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good.
2v1. I'm just better, I guess. Let's let you go. Casual 2v1.
Oh no. This is really not good.
I've gotten 20 bonus. That's not comfortable. I mean, close to us.
Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. It's not good at all. Oh yeah, I have no clue how to do this. Except I would have to do something that instead of sending it like this, it would have to be I would have to send the function as like something equals this or something equals that or something equals whatever. But I have no idea. How are you supposed to tell what needs to be an int or a float? Oh shit. Yeah, I don't know what to do about this. Because how the hell does vector BT even deal with this if you're using talib? I guess the way that vector BT would do it is it would have to say time period equals this and this equals this. And I guess I could try to look it up and see. Or I could just wait for this guy to reply. Wow, it stopped in 2008. Browse the latest code online. Oh my god. Hmm. The only other way I can see is if somehow I figure out a way to take this and then do time period equals 5 or time period equals whatever instead of this tuple thing. Oh shit. Shit. I really don't want to read through this shit. I really don't want to read through it. I feel like I have no choice. Hmm? What is this? How do I even see what this is then? Oh, I have to. Oh, I have to do like upper band or whatever the hell it is. Um. Bollinger Bands. Holy shit, which one is this? Which one is the Bollinger Bands? Which one is Le Bollinger Bands? What the fuck? Which overlap studies its bowling events? So I guess I have to do upper band. So if I said time period equals 2. Alright, so this is going to be the fun part. Trying to follow this whole thing, which I don't think it's going to be possible to do. I'm going to need to do this. E band stop run. Okay. So this. Hmm? Okay. What? How did I even get here? How did I even get here? We're in the factory. But if I move forward one, then we go directly over to this. Okay, so I guess I need to do this, this, this. Okay, so here. Output names, upper param names, time period, this. Okay. So it says here default is 2, default is 10, default, default, default. So we have our params list is 2. How the fuck does it know? I feel like this run pipeline is... This is the part that I don't understand. The params list still has it as 2. How? How? You have all this, the results? But how did it do this with sending ints? We have our params list, we have our level names, we have our hide levels. So what are we looking for? Params list. Builder, maps. So param list is param list. What? Whatever. What? Happened? We have our param list. I guess we should probably... Okay. So in param values, 1, check is number function, custom function. Param list ready. We still have our ints in unique parameter values. Column list is ready. We get down here. We don't do that. Param list ready. Do we even have that? Call custom function. Param list ready. What is our custom function? Param list ready. Output. What? Wait, what? Run the function, custom function, input list ready. What is this? In output list ready. Ram. What is this? Function args, quargs. What? How did you get this? How did you get this? What? What? It is a number function, custom func. What? Is checks if is custom function number function. What is custom func? What? All custom func. This doesn't make any sense. What? What? Output equals call custom function. But when you call this custom function, you have this. If custom function, where is this? Custom function run pipeline. How the fuck? Wait a minute, what? Where's the custom function? There is no custom function. What? Where did we get that from? I guess we got it up. Hmm? Wait a minute, what? Input list ready. Output list ready. These are my hmm? So this is the custom function. The param tuples, we have that. We still have the fucking thing. Apply in concat function. What? Args. Apply func. So now we're here. What? Output ta lib func. Inputless param tuple. We're still sending this shit. So now we're here. What is this map? What did we do so far? We have the 10, we have all that. Jesus Christ. But this is in ta lib. We have 10.2.2.0. How? What? Result equals function args. Oh, we gotta go here. Back to here. Jump to cursor. It's right there. How? Alright, so now I gotta try this again. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Wait, was it here? Or here? I think it's somewhere here. So we're here. Our arguments. So what is func? Wraps func. But how? What do you mean? What do you mean? What the fuck do you mean? How do you get this? Result equals func. How do you get into this? What is this? Why do I not have any args? How do I not have any args or quargs? This makes no sense. But I have the function name. I wonder if you can do... Can you do this? Do like 4... I don't think you can do none. You can. You can say none. So so final user args actually needs to be none. Final user args. Can you actually do that? If is instance args value enter float. Where does it, if not filled, as array names value ram dict ram key equals what? Here. This is a 5. So this needs to be none. Why? What is this? Time period. equals this. So I think it should just be like this, none. If not filled. Input name, price. Okay, that makes sense. So this should work. Length of names must match number of stash columns. What? Oh, okay. So we got none. None. None, none. Why is it not adding the... Where's the problem? Where is the problem? God damn it. I need to go get my... I don't understand. Wait a minute, what? What? You can do it like this, but you can't when you're doing the function? What? Hell? Why am I calling function though? Is the question. Okay. Mm-hmm. That's so weird. So why am I sending it like this? So could I say, oh, it's because I send it as a data frame. it doesn't automatically argument real has incorrect type. God, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Input names price equals close. Oh yeah. But how does this thing know? Name stock in this is not. What? Oh. Run missing one required positional argument close. Stosh. Can you? Oh god, this is so disgusting. Is it possible to do Stosh and then do like this? All right, we're on to something here. So we need to send the so you can send the price. Okay. Okay. So if that is the case, then here we just have to do get attribute. Oh man. And then we'd have to get, oh man. So okay, so this is this is this. So this is fine. This is not fine. Oh. Function name. So here we would have to do, oh man. And then from here we'd have to create a for loop and create a tuple. We'd have to create a for loop and create a tuple of prices. So we'd have to do df prices symbol, then output param name or something like that. Then we'd have to do this. And then we'd have to add that to a tuple. Then we'd have to add another data frame to the tuple. Then we'd have to add another data frame to the tuple. Then we send that as an as args here. And then we just do the get attribute thing, and then we do this, and we don't have to worry about the price. So that way we don't have to deal with this shit, clearly. So, okay. So we have to borrow from up here about this. Wait, what did I do? How did I get attribute thing? Where did I do that at? I think it was in CCXT. Yeah, I'd have to do this. talib, and then the name of the thing, and then run it. All right. Okay, another thing I just realized too is that I think we're going to have a another for loop here for input names. Input names. So this has the ability to already send a list of lists. Wait, what? Oh, wait, what? If in name values, what is this? Wargs. Input names. I don't know, just a second, I gotta figure this out. So here I don't allow for there to be a list of lists. So if you wanted to test open, high, low, close, if you wanted to test open, high, low, then you wanted to test low, high, open, then you wanted to test all that stuff, you can't do that. Mhm. Because like, do I really want to? Do I even really want to do this whole prices thing? Is the question now. Because when does somebody be like, oh yeah, I want to do the RSI based off of the low or the open or the whatever? I guess for now this is fine. I mean, it works, so who cares? Um, param name values. Oh, I did it again. I made changes without do. Well, I mean it is, but so here. think maybe outside of this, I just need to do like temp. So maybe I'll just make a Steam. And so here, font freedom dot test dot test import testing from it should be because I could do dot typing. Why can't I do dot there it is. Import everything. Okay. So here it's we'll also go back over to here. This testing from talib. And then okay. So here everything's cool. Everything's cool. And then we get to this part. What did I say that we needed to do? Oh yeah, we have to check the data, the get attribute. So the first thing that we have to do is, oh, so wait a minute, what is this? So the price is, where's the prices thing? Oh, prices. Input name dict in name. What? What is this even about? So the prices price prices. So we don't really need any of that. So we just need in name key. I mean, this is fun. This is fun. Well, no, it's not really fun. So this could just be a so all I need here is a list. Because if somebody says, here are my items, here are my values, my key is going to be price or prices, right? So if I have it, and if it's a string, then here we will take this string and turn it into a wait a minute. If this is a string, then the only thing it could be is price. So if this equals core key, else if in key is price, which it is going to be price, if in key equals price and quarks equals prices, then you need to provide price instead of prices. That's it. If this is just a string, then it's not going to be prices. And then here, this has to be prices. Price. Okay. And then if this is a string, we have to, oh shit. We have to do this. Turn it into a list. And then this would already be a list. So, indicator name. We don't need a dictionary. We don't need it to be anything, really. Indicator name equals core values, which is just a list. And it's just going to be this. This is going to be this. And this is just going to be this. Then, what we will do is we will come down here. And we will have to so I think this only happens this can only happen if it's a data frame, if it's a price. I wonder if people are going to be working with indicator data or price data more. I think they're probably going to be working with price data. That is what I am assuming. Here is where we need to do a for loop. For handle parts in what was it? Input names dict. This actually needs to be just input names. For input name in input names. Oh shit. Oh boy, input names. Let's just go through and make sure there's nothing. I think if we did this, so that's fine. So we'll just, oops, we'll get rid of this. So then we'll say for input name. So for input name in input names, temp df prices. This and then this. Right? So we'll have this, and then it'll grab the Bitcoin, and then it'll grab like open, high, low, close, whatever they say. And it'll do open, it'll do high, it'll do low. And then that'll be the tuple. Then we come down here and we do get this talib. And we do name dot. Then from there, we send this like this. Actually, this doesn't even matter here. So we just do this. So our final array counter get attribute talib dot function name dot upper. Then that's going to be temporary data frame prices. Data frame prices tuple. So we come into here, we get the symbol, we get this tuple, we do for input in input names, input name and input names. We do this, we grab the input name, then we come down here, we run this with the prices and with the settings. Then we do this, then we set this indicator tuple to nothing. Then we come back up, we do it again, then we come back up to here, we change the symbol, we get this, look at our data frame. Does this need to be dot squeeze? I think it does. If you do okay, so it's already like that, so we don't need to do dot squeeze. So we have this. And so now here, param keys, symbol. So for the symbol, we need this. And then after that, we just need this. Right? I think this only so this is perfectly fine. Oh, because this is wait, what? Oh, this is user data. So we don't have to worry about any of that stuff. We could still just do this function thing here. Uh, Why is this dot values though? Is the question. I wonder if this even works. Yep. Uh, so why do I even have this dot values here? What is this even for? What am I doing? Oh, dot values. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. All of these have to be dot values because we're storing it into an array. Right? Is that the way it works? What? Oh. Tuple object has no. Oh. So I just have to. Okay. So it's not outname anymore. Or outname in length of outnames. Oh shit. So we have to enumerate, or in enumerate. Then we have to say count name name. So out name count, and then this will be out name. This will just be out name count out name. So this will be out name count, and this will just be out name. Gotcha. And then this will be dot value 0 dot values. Wait, how did I do that already? How did I do that already? How did I do this already? That's crazy. Values. Values. Okay. Now the question is, does this work? Uh, freedom dot testing everything. So here we testing talib. What? What you talking about? You heard me? What you talking about? What you talking? Input name is C. Input names is not a list. Yeah. Argument real has incorrect type. Got int. Hmm? Oh. I have to set the thing equal to something, don't I? Don't I? Don't I? That would probably help. That would probably help if I did that. Wayo, 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 wayo. Okay. So let's see here. Price equals will this work? Bayo. Wait, what? Did my alarm go off already? Bye. You need to provide price equals instead of prices equals. Wait. Oh, what the fuck am I doing? So we have to come over here and whoops. Change all talib to be get talib step. Okay, so we need to test this. Before we goes, we need to test this. We need to test this. Testing this. Test this here. NumPy array object has no attribute values. Why is it sometimes I wonder if I did this dot values and then if I did this dot values, would I be able to just remove all this, remove this, because this is values and this is values, right? So does that work still? Wait, what? RSI EMA time period. Now we have to see BB on RSI. So here, do this. B bands. B bands. B bands. Just not even. What? RSI time period, B band time period, up, dude, bam. Look at that. Oh, that's not what I want. The symbol has to come first. So here, we need to come into this and go here. Go here. Yay. I could put this. Wait, what? How does it know? Wait, what? Something is what? Hmm? How did I do it up here? Current symbol tuple plus this plus this. Current. So then the parameter keys is this is not true. This has to be user indicator DF. Wait, what is this? Oh, this is symbol. And then I needed to do symbol. I thought I did that. Oh, I did not do that. Oh. How do we know which symbol we are on is the question. That's why this will not, this works. Boy. Oh boy. Okay. I had to think about this. Actually, I don't think that there was much thinking involved. It's just, these are the parameter keys. We reorganize them to have the symbols, then time period, then we have the output names. Is that the way we do it? Oh yeah, I think that is the way we do it. I think this should work. Length of names must match a number of levels in multi-index. Length of names. Symbol. Output names. Is this? Symbol. BTC USDT. Output name. Oh, that's on the prices. Oh. Hmm? What? I have to enumerate? Oh, Jesus Christ. So I have to do column user indicator all equals this. Then we have to do for all this user indicator column names equals and this, and then here we just do user column names, right? Is that the way it works? BTC USDT 15 30 50 15 30 50 15 30 50 for upper. Oh no, that's not good. That is not good. Symbol RSI time period for out name in this for column and shape.
Ya, puta, pero yo tú a tres personas y no puedo hacer nada ahí y me muero yo, plan. Yo he visto a tres personas y acabo yo siendo one-shoteado en permanente. De una vida, la verdad es que sí. No, venga, hay dos, no, el intervalo vale el botón de plata. Dos A o dos M. Ya, esto me dice más pía es su segunda partida conmigo.
Hmm. I think here it might just be easier to.
Cualquier tipo, ya sea daño verdadero, que con CMR o cualquier cosa, sí hubiese matado a la cabeza. Las joder sí perfectas, como debería ser, ¿no? O sea, yo estoy en esto con tres personas y me espero que las pueda salvar bien. No sé vosotros. No acabar one-shoteado ahí de una vida. Porque fun fact, mi escudo dura lo mismo que el. Ya me limpié, ¿cómo es algo de lesión? ¿Cómo es algo de lesión? Es que da igual.
I think all we have to do is just swap these. Right? I don't think that that's gonna work though. By that I mean fuck you, it works, bitch! Upper, middle, lower. Upper, middle, lower, upper, middle, lower. It works, it works. So first we're gonna say, okay, I want the BTC, then I want it to be on the 15 RSI, and then I want to get the upper and middle band. Yeah. Yeah.
Todo el mundo ha visto internet siempre.
Nice. 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 So here we have edit from talib to be able to handle indicators with symbol columns. Okay. So now we take this. All the way up to here. Oh boy. Oh, what? Wow, you can. Whoa, okay. I did not know that you could do that. Wow, wow, wow. So does this still work? I don't know what I just did. So we have all possible situations here, right? RSI, Bollinger Bands. Got this.
eso, pero igualmente, ni bajarle mi vida que no la
Boom, bam. So it's working. So we go all the way up to here. Copy this, bring it over to this. Do that. Wow. Talib. There should be no problems. Because you don't want no problem. All right. Okay. I think it's time to go on a little bit of a break. Make it so that way you have true-false variables for plotting in eval below, but you can only plot the first column. Oh, wait a minute. So now I have to do eval is below for now I have to do eval is below. Make it so that eval below. Then this is gonna be work on evals. Then make it so that simulator can work. That make it simulator df can work with multiple coins, and simulator. I don't know how you would do simulator only 6 with multiple coins. You'd have to create an array of arrays with values, with different values. So it still works. So you'd have to do some pretty sexy indexing and just grab the specific columns that you want with the true and false value. So I think this works. Yeah, you'd have to do some indexing with pandas to get like this column, this column, this column, this column, this, all the columns that you want. Break time.